Well, see, what had happened was, after I left the hair store, I had went to another store, and then after I left that store, I've been playing around a long time. Damn, and my dog barking like a... Anyway. Change the cover. No. Look at my hair, like a little girl.
Just put up on the side. Hey, I let it get surprised. I'm on the program because of my eyes. I can't even tell you nothing but you lie. I had a cut on my ties. I can't even tell her nothing because I cried. I just want these stepping in these Louboutins.
What's up, Febabes, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Feairrosade. I call all of my supporters Febabes. It's so easy to become a Febabe. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so that you can know every time yours truly uploads a new video. So I'll give y'all time. Y'all got time? Did you hit it? Did you hit the subscribe button? But anyway, y'all, welcome back to another day. It is Saturday, October the 7th, and I know y'all sick of these braids, because I'm sick of these braids. I'm sick of looking at them every time I look in the mirror, so I know y'all sick of them. Shit. But anyway, we're going to be taking these braids out today. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Clap it up, clap it up. Yes, I'm gonna be taking these braids out today. I normally order my hair offline, but y'all, I was slipping. I didn't get around to it, so therefore I'm gonna have to go to one of my local hair stores and see if I can find me something so that I'm able to do to my hair tonight, because this is coming out. I don't give a damn what. This is coming out, period. So also my mom bought her a fire wig offline, and so she wants me to pluck it and install it for her today. So we're gonna do that for her, but we got to get our stuff together. We gotta be looking like somebody, because when I say I'm sick of these braids, y'all, I'm sick of them. Like, it's so convenient, but when they done, they done. Ain't no savaging it, ain't no whatever. So let me show y'all what I got on today, and then once I show y'all what I got on, then we gonna get up out of here, because it is currently like 1:06, y'all. I've been playing around a long time. Damn, and my dog barking like a... Anyway, come on, let me show y'all what I got on. So we'll start at the shoes first. I got on my blue and white Dunks. I got this purse from a pop-up shop. I can't recall her name and everything right now, but I'll make sure I find her card and put it down in the description box if you're interested in getting a cute little purse like this. She told me it's imported from Italy. But yeah, it's good quality. It's really cute. Then I got on my Victoria's Secret tights with a blue oversized t-shirt that I got from Shein or Shein. As you can see, my favorite little necklace, my heart necklace, my Apple Watch, and my favorite little earrings, my heart earrings. Yep. So that is the fit, something comfortable, not doing too much. But yeah, so that's it. That's the fit for today. Oh, let me show y'all. And these shades. can't really see them, but they kind of match this shirt right here that I got on. So, and then I forgot to tell you guys the scent of today. Alright, y'all. Is the Amber Saffron. It is the dupe for the Baccarat 540. It smells just like it. And then we're going to top it off with the... Oh, gosh, come on. Can y'all see this? What the heck? The Ebony Woods. You can get this from Zara. It smells so good when you mix it with a different scent, but it's got to be the right scent now. But yeah, you can definitely go onto Dossier. This is not sponsored by them, but you could definitely go onto Dossier and get these fraction of the cost dupe perfumes, and they smell just like them, and they last just as long, and you pay them like $40-some versus like 3 and 2 and, you know, the hundreds of dollars. So yeah, go grab that. I love you. Can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you what you want. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Relax now, right now, put me in the mood. Recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis. With poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower will bloom in the dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems and did songs dedicated to you win. So like the move like it when they blind in my plan. Better get with your friends again. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, so I plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl did that little mini range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach you with that authority. Nigga that ain't. Stop. Change the cover. No. Hey YouTube. Hi YouTube. Say my name Rara. Yeah, I'm so happy. Alright, tell them bye bye. Bye bye. Love y'all. Love y'all. I know I said yesterday we was gonna take our hair loose. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Yeah. Well, see, what had happened was, after I left the hair store, I had went to another store, and then after I left that store, I went and got something to eat, and then I said, well, let me eat first, and then I ate, and then I got lazy, and I said I could just do it today. So that's why we're here. It is the next day, guys. It is October the 8th, Sunday. So I wanted to start off early doing my hair. So I was like, I didn't want to do it like in the evening time. And then I get lazy. And you know how it is when you just don't already, when you have had something really, really good to eat, you don't be wanting to be bothered with no hair. I know I wasn't. But first things first, before we get started with doing our hair and taking these braids out, that really needs to be taken out really, really bad. I'm going to be using this ID mask here. I used this one time before and I really, really liked it. The benefits of this mask is to increase your skin's elasticity, to prevent premature aging, to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, to minimize sun damage, hydrates the skin, stimulates skin cells, helps to diffuse skin infections and acne, and of course promotes smooth skin. So who don't want that? Who don't want that? I do. Over here, we take our skincare very, very seriously, okay? So don't play with us. We're going to always get to that skin. So let's go ahead and apply this mask. And you leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes and then take it off. And then we're going to cut these braids out, wash our hair, and install our new little wiggy wig we just got yesterday, honey. So
no limit, baby. Can get that black card, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murmur murder that, no limit, baby. Can get that ghetto deep, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. Just let me roll. Give you a solution.
alright, so I got the mask on. So it is currently 1:17. So we're gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes and then we're gonna take it off. Alright, so I'll see y'all in 20. Princess girl. Hey, mama girl. Hey, mama girl. Hey, princess. Hey, princess scissors. Hey, for real.
Under the car.
Little teeth hurt.
Under the car. So YouTube. How you doing? I play Brookhaven.
From Roblox.
Yeah, we on Roblox. So make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe button.
Yeah.
Alright, so it has been 20 minutes, a little bit over 20 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and remove this mask. I need to find my scissors so I can cut this crap out of my head. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and remove it. And then it says just to take the rest of the product and just push it into your skin. And y'all, I got my skin feeling so soft. It's like a baby bottle right now. It does. It's so soft. So soft. Alright, so let me... You okay? Oh my goodness, is you okay, booty? Is you okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the rest of my skincare. And then we're going to start taking these braids out. Alright. Alright, y'all. Here goes nothing. I really liked this hairstyle though. It was so cute. But yeah, it's time to let it go. It's done for.
Yeah. Work. Do me like you work. Give me that. Tell me about that work. Do you work drive me a dessert. Just have to be lurking. Yeah. You like a rock, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. I'm sticking with love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never.
As you can see, I got my hair out. I like a little girl. Look at my hair. Like a little girl. Look at my bank. Crazy. Alright, so let's take these ponytails out. And ponytails out, as you can see. So now I'm not gonna pull at it too much. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it. It's itching so bad, y'all. So I don't want to put, because it's still got a lot of like the hard, you know how they put the gel on it and make it stay, so it's still got a lot of the hard stuff on it. So we're just gonna go ahead and just wash it out and then go from there. Not out, but just got finished washing my hair. So now let's go ahead and get this stuff detangled and blow dried. Okay, so we got our hair detangled. So yeah, now we just need to blow dry it. So, let's go ahead and blow dry it, y'all.
You see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. I'm like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't know me. Nigga with a sick ass mouth for the slick ass flow. Catch up with around me, nigga. Had a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my phone back down. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Always got count for the boy, living dreams in the hills. Had time for the boy right now. Got in for the time with the deal. We up with them young boys feel. I killed, never be killed, that's real. No lie, you can tell it from my peers round down. Bitch, I wanna fuck me now. Bitch, I wanna love me now. Ray can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Take it, show me stuff. Feel like you're on me, suck that. Like a fucking king, I'm very proud of that. So we can really get a function. Just so I think like it's not done. Every man I go down.
So I'm not really worried about it being completely dry because I'm going to braid it. So it don't even matter about it being completely dry. But yeah, y'all. So we're just gonna go ahead and braid all of this hair. I don't know, I might just do 2 braids. I'm not for sure yet. But we must just braid all of this hair to the back so we can install our little wig, y'all. Yes, so we can install our wig. And my wig has my favorite color, blonde, of course. So yeah, because I'm not finna dye my real hair. So that's why you're gonna see me wearing wigs a lot, because first of all, wigs is a protective style. It keeps your, you know, keep you from putting all that heat and stuff in your real hair constantly. But y'all know that. I ain't gotta tell y'all all that. Y'all already know all that. So yep, so let's go ahead and do us a protective style. I'm so ready, y'all. I done had them braids for so long. I'm just so ready for me some hair. All right, y'all. So my hair is braided. So let's go ahead and start the process with installing this wig. Got my wig cap, got my stocking cap. So let's get started. Right, so this is the wig that I will be installing. I just want y'all to get a little glimpse of the color.
You don't know, baby, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and start melting my wig down. So I'm gonna be using the I almost couldn't think of the name, Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray. So let's go ahead and start. So I got my band on. So we're gonna leave this band on for a little minute, and then I'll come back and we'll style this bad boy. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, I don't know what the hell I'm done to my camera, but I ain't got time to be trying to figure it out right now. But anyway, while my band was melting my lace, I went ahead and put on some lashes and did my makeup because I was bored while I was waiting. So I am about to now flat iron and style this hair to my liking. I think I'm gonna like cut some layers wherever my razor at. I'm gonna cut some layers in the front. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little bit of baby hairs to make it look realistic, and put some makeup in the part right here. So, alright y'all, let me go ahead and style this. And yeah, I gotta find my thing. I found it. It's right here. Look up my razor.
They set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch what you turn them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. She been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. She been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going out of shame. I had that shot, not too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I'm rapping, so I took the private plane. Feel like I'm walking on my hand. You too hard, to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a brother's better name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and try and run it away. You too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm not even gonna pretend like I am an expert in installing wigs, because I'm not. I could put mine on, my mama's on, some of my cousins, but I don't go any further out of that circle trying to pretend like I know how I'm top tier in installing units. But anyway, y'all, so yeah, this is she. How y'all like the color? So tell me down below, how do you like this wig? I'm gonna try to link or put down in the description box where this wig came from, what company it is, because I'm pretty sure you can look online and find this wig, but I got it out of my local beauty supply store. It is synthetic, so it's not 100% human hair. It's mixed with human hair, but it's synthetic and human hair mixed together. But yeah, so this is it, y'all. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's vlog, or this weekend's vlog, as I should say. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Come on over here and become a Feababe. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much. Yeah, so until next time, I'll see y'all in my next one. Love you, Feababe.